We're here at REIT 2009, and we're joined by Stein, Chairman and CEO of Regency Centers Corporation. Can you tell us about the background of Regency Centers?
Regency Centers was founded in 1963. We went public in 1993, and we are a national owner, operator, and developer of grocery-anchored shopping centers, and it's kind of our mission to be the premier national owner, operator, and developer of grocery-anchored shopping centers.
Hap, can you tell us a little bit about how Regency Centers has been dealing with the recent economic downturn?
Regency has a five-pronged strategy to navigate the challenges that are out there. Number one is to ensure that we have balance sheet and external access to reliable sources of capital. So strengthening the balance sheet is number one, and access to capital. Secondly, our second key strategy is to preserve and grow net operating income both in our operating portfolio and in our development portfolio. Thirdly, we are selectively looking for what I call gems, investment opportunities that are compelling from a return standpoint and from a quality of the asset standpoint. Fourthly, we have a partner, Macquarie Countrywide, and we're working very closely with them to help them sell their interest in our partnerships. And then finally, we're proactively managing our G&A cost.
You mentioned potential gems that Regency Centers is looking for. What are you doing to take advantage of those opportunities?
I think what we'll do is we recently successfully raised $300 million of equity capital, and we've got a commitment for very attractive 10-year financing that will close early next month. It's 7.75%, 10-year interest only. And combine that with a new joint venture that we're trying to put in place and our free and clear cash flow, we've basically taken care of our obligations through 2012. We have what I call sleep at night insurance, and we're now in a position to thoughtfully continue to strengthen the balance sheet, to intelligently fund these gems that we're actively looking for.
Tell us a little bit about Regency Centers' sustainability program.
Putting in place what we call our Green Genuity program is not only good for the environment, but it's good for Regency. And the program involves it's kind of a three-pronged approach. Number one, we'll have the majority of our new developments will be LEED certified. Secondly, as we redevelop and put in place major renovations in our existing centers, we'll be implementing green projects in those. And then thirdly, throughout the corporation, we're being more green oriented as far as recycling. And I think long term what's going to happen is, as I said, it's not only good for the environment, but we're going to save costs, we're going to save operating costs. And I think longer term institutional investors are going to want to invest in LEED certified buildings.